Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Naziat from ayah number 28. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رفع سمكها فسواها. Ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. The sound is short. Ra. So you have to lift your tongue up to make a ra heavy. Whenever you make any letter heavy, you have to lift the tongue up. So, and don't circle your lips ever. Ra, fa. Fa has hums always. Whenever you see fa, you give hums. Whichever state the fa is in, but you are giving fa hums, and hums is a flow of breath. So how you create it? It's this sound and then fatha comes. Fa, ra, fa, ain should be from your throat. The fatha is short, but make sure you bring the sound from your throat very well. Ra, fa, sam. Seen is light, attached with meme, we get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lin, Umar are the letters. These are the 5 letters. Whenever they are in a sukoon state, it has sukoon at the top, then you give tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Give a little flow to the sound. Sam, this sound is tawassut. Sam, ka is light. And for fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Ka, ha should be from the last part of your throat, aqsa al-halq, and there shouldn't be any misty sound in it. So don't confuse ha with ha. The sound of ha, this is ha, and this is ha. There is a complete different sound. So don't mix these two. Ka, ha will be 2 counts long. Fa, fa give hums always. The fatha is very short. Fa, so. Seen is attached with wow, and wow is getting nabar. Whenever wow or ya are with sukoon, with tashdid, they are getting nabar. How what is nabar? Nabar is a jump of sound. When you are attaching the scene with wow, this is the place where you will create nabar, and nabar is a flow of jump of sound. So you will hear the sound of wow very clearly, and it is little raised. The sound is raised, so the other letters are lower than that. Wa is 2 counts long. After creating nabar, there is 2 counts long. Okay, so these two things are very different. So this is nabar, and wa is smooth. How you do it in normal condition. Wa ha 2 counts long. رفع سمكها فسواها وأغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها. Wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Hamza is very sharp, but ghain is heavy and it has rakhawa. Plus rakhawa. The sound should flow very nicely for ghain. And there shouldn't be any fluctuation in between the sound, because if you will fluctuate it, you will make it qalqala. No, don't do that. It's oh, oh. The sound should flow in a straight position. No ups and downs. Oh, and if you will say oh, that will be qalqala. Don't do that. Oh, Ta is heavy, the sound is short. Sh, oh, qasha. Ta is short, Ta is heavy. Sheen is light, but sheen is short. Qasha, lay. This is lean. Give a very nice time on fatha and then attach with ya, and it will take 2 counts long. Give a nice time here. Don't rush. Lay, la is short. Ah, 2 counts long. It should be from last part of your throat. Pull out, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. Fatha, open your jaws. Attach with kha will be heavy. There will be rakhawa. The sound should flow very well. This is a flow of sound which should be very importantly, it should be there. Ra is short. Ja and ra is heavy. Jim is light and jim is short. Raja God is heavy. For the circle your lips, the sound is short. Ha. Look how clearly this misty sound should be there for ha. This ha. 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 The sound is very different. Ha. Ha. وأغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها والأرض بعد ذلك دحاها. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut because this is one letter from Lin Umar. So give tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. How you create it? When you are attaching wow with lam, here the tawassut will be in action. This sound is tawassut. Give the wasut on raw too because this is one of the letter of Lin Umar, and raw is heavy too because there is fatha before it. Whenever you see no fatha dhamma kasra on raw, then check the letter before it. If it has fatha or dhamma, then raw will be heavy. You are making raw heavy and you are giving tawassut. There are two things going together. Ba is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Ba is light, but attached with raw, attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. Da is short. The 2 counts long. Make sure you engage the right makhraj. Makhraj of dal is to put the upper part of your tip of your tongue to and touch the upper two teeth. The edge of upper two teeth will be touching the lower to the upper part of your tongue. The li for kasra e sound ka short. The li ka. So the makhraj of dal is the tip of your tongue is touching the edge of your upper two teeth. The li ka. The short. Ha is 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. Daha. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with kha. Kha will be heavy and there will be rakhawa. The sound should flow very nicely. Ra is heavy. Ja is light. The sound is short. Raja min for kasra give e sound. Attached with noon. Noon will get sifa off. Tawassut, and there is rule. The rule is ibhar. Min ha is 2 counts long. Man 4 counts long. A short. Ha 2 counts long. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Wa maru. Keep meme light but raw heavy. Why raw is heavy? Because there is nothing on raw, but we will check the letter before it, if it has the ma or fatha, the ra will be heavy. So the ra here is heavy because there is fatha before it. وَمَوْعَى. Ain should be from your throat and it is 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها واو circle your lips attach with lam will get sifa of tawassut and ji for kasra give e sound, the sound is short, ba 2 counts long, la short, the sound is short, waljibala Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws. Attach with the ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Aw, sa 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. And keep seen light. Aw, sa ha. Mata ma short. Ta 2 counts long. Al should be from your throat, attached with lam, and this is idgham without gunna. Don't keep sound in your nose. Allakum for the circle your lips attached with mim, you get sifa of tawassut. Kum wa for wow circle your lips, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Wa li for kasra give e sound. And hamza is very sharp. Fatha upon your jaws, attached with noon, you get sifa of tawassut. Don't stop abruptly, but give a medium flow of sound. And 2 counts long, and I should be from your throat very nicely. Me for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Kum for the circle your lips. Attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut because it is one of the letter of lin Umar. متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم. For fa give hams. Whenever you look at fa give hams, and hams is a flow of breath. So the sound should be starting with the flow of breath. This sound should be there before fatha. And then fatha comes fa. Fa. E for kasra give e sound, the 2 counts long, فإذا ja 4 counts long, a sharp, hamza is sharp, the sound is short, tit ta will be light, but as you will touch to, the sound should be heavy and it will be 6 counts long, and then you will give gunna. When you will finish 6 counts long, then you will attach it with meme, and then meme will have gunna, and that is akmal gunna. So give a nice time on meme. Ja'at matul ma fatha is short. Tul for Brahma circle your lips, attached with lam will get sifa of the wasat. Give a nice medium flow of sound. Tul kube. Kaf is light for Brahma circle your lips, attached with ba. Ba will be light and there will be qalqala. Kube, kube. Raw will be 2 counts long and it will be heavy because there is fatha on raw. فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى. The makhraj of ya is when you are lifting the middle part of your tongue to the middle part of your palate, but you are not touching the palate, so the sound is very soft. Yo. And this is lean. Lean will be 2 counts long. Yo. Ma is short. Yeah. Again. Yeah. is very like you are not touching the tongue to the palate, so the sound is very soft. Yeah, ta is very sharp. Yeah, the ka, the is attached to the kaf. Kaf is light. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. The ka, the ka. Kaf is getting hums only when it has with sukoon. With the tashdid, with fatha dhamma kasra, you are not giving hums on kaf. So it's not the no. It's the yatadakka rul. Ra is heavy for the muscle. Your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa. Tawassut rul in. Hamza is very sharp. Focus to give e sound. There is ikhwa, so you are not pronouncing at the sound of noon, and you are going towards the makhraj of sin, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. In, keep this tongue straight because sin is among light letters. In sa is 2 counts long. No, for the muscle your lips, the sound is very short. Ma, 2 counts long. Sa, short. Ah, 2 counts long, and should be from your throat very nicely. Wa, okay. يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Boo, boo. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with ra. Ra will be light here. Burri, burri. Ra is short but light. Z. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Til. For kasra, give e sound. Don't miss that e sound while you are attaching with lam. Til. Lam has tawassut. Tilja. Ja is short. He, 2 counts long. Mu, for the circle your lips, the sound is short. Jahimu. Li, for kasra, give e sound. May, idgham with gunna. Liman yara. Yeah, it is very soft. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Yeah, ra, 2 counts long. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha at the top. وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى. Fa, give hums on fa, and hums is a flow of breath. The sound, there should be a flow of breath before the fatha. Before you give fatha, there is hums. This is called hums. And then give fatha. Fa, Hamza is very sharp. Fatha, open your jaws. Attach with meme. Meme has akmal gunna. So give a nice time for gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And then ma, there is 2 counts long too. فأما man, that will be heavy ikhfa. Why? Because ta is among heavy letters. So man, qa is heavy, but the sound is short. Qa, ga is 2 counts long, and it is heavy too. فأما من طغى. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. 2 counts long. Tha, short. Roll, ra will be heavy. Attached with lam. Lam gets above the wassut. وآثر ha. Ha should be misty. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short, but there should misty sound before the fatha. Ha, and then fatha. Ha, yeah. Again, yeah is very soft for fatha. For long, this is 2 counts long. Tul, tal. For fatha, open your jaws, attach a dal, tad. وآثر الحياة الدنيا. Ta is very sharp, attached with dal, and then there is dhamma on dal attached with nun. Dun. This is idhar mutlaq because these two conditions of idgham are not in a separate words, but it is in one word. So when it comes in the one word, then it is idhar mutlaq. So there is idhar, no idgham is working here. Dun. So there will be tawassut because there is idhar. Dun, yeah, two counts long. وآثر الحياة الدنيا فإن الجحيم هي المأوى. There's hams, yes, good. Before fatha, the flow of sound should be there very nicely. This sound should be there, and for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. In for Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra, give E sound. Attach with Noon. Noon will get sifa of Gunna, and this is Akmal Gunna. So give a nice time in your nose. فإن الجحيم short. He, two counts long, give a misty sound. Ma short. He, focus, give E sound attached with no, don't attach with anything. Focus, give E sound. El, yeah, attached with yeah, attach yeah with lam. Lam will get sifa after wasat. El, ma. Ma will be very softly pronounced and attached with Hamza. Hamza will get a strong stab because the makhraj is cutting off the sound very sharply. Ma, wa, for wow, circle your lips, and for fatha, open your jaws and make it two counts long. فإن الجحيم هي المأوى. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.